You need this. It is the heart shake effect, and you can make it very easily. If you watch this completely, then
first, add your clips. Then add keyframes at the start, apply zoom, and at the end, make it normal. Apply this to all your clips. Now go to the graph and adjust it exactly like I did. After that, apply it to all clips again. Next, go to Effects, select Chrome Blur, and adjust it as you see on the screen. You can add more zoom to your clips according to your preference. Now go to Animation and select Horizontal Blur. Apply it to all clips. After that, go to Effects, add Shake, and adjust the settings as shown on the screen. Finally, export your video. Thanks for watching.